Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today we are making some flavorful air fried, southern fried chicken thighs. They are be crispy, juicy, and packed with flavor. So let me get started. These are the ingredients that I'm going to use today. We have 2 pounds of chicken. I'm going to separate that into 2 pounds. We have 1 cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of hot sauce, 2 eggs, 1 cup of self-rising flour, 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, which is right here, and salt and pepper to taste. So let me get all these ingredients together so we can get this show going, okay? All right. I'm gonna go ahead and add the buttermilk and the hot sauce in this bag here. You're gonna add the chicken to the bag here so it can start marinating. Okay, we're gonna let that marinate for about an hour, okay? Right? And drop them in there. What this buttermilk is gonna do is gonna help tenderize the chicken here. So it'll be nice and juicy and flavorful. That's about 2 pounds there. I'm gonna add about, I would say about a tablespoon of this Cajun seasoning to it, okay? Then that's what we want, some nice seasoned chicken. Okay, I'm gonna massage it in this bag, and I'm gonna also add the 2 eggs to the bag here. This is gonna be some good air fried southern chicken. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and mix the flour for the 2 pounds of chicken thighs that I have marinating over here next to me. Okay, I'm gonna add 1 cup of flour. Now this is self-rising flour, just so you know. Okay. And I'm gonna add a half a cup of cornstarch to this flour here. That's the breading for the chicken. Okay. All right, got it in this bag. And like I added 1 tablespoon of creole seasoning to the chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of creole seasoning to the flour. Okay, that's about 1 tablespoon. Ooh. That seasoning is intense, very spicy, which we like spicy food anyway. So if you don't like spicy, you can choose another brand, but this one is pretty intense, okay? All right, so let me get the chicken in here. We got 2 pounds of chicken. Now we'll place it in a 400-degree oven. You know, the chicken been marinating for 1 hour in the buttermilk, okay? I sprayed my rack inside of my air fryer so that the chicken wouldn't stick, excuse me, okay? All right, so let me place it in the oven for about 25 minutes. Half that time, I'm gonna turn it over so it can brown on both sides, okay? Okay, I added a little more salt to the chicken because I tasted the flour mixture that I had put together where I added the 1 tablespoon of creole seasoning to it. It didn't have enough salt in it, so it's a lot of other spices in there, but it's not that salty. So I added about a half teaspoon of salt to the chicken here. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the oven. Now I have it on this rack. I sprayed it really well. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cook it at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. Half that time, I'm gonna pull it out and flip it over, okay? Just so you know, I did spray the chicken with some olive oil, okay? That's in a spray bottle. This is my air fryer southern chicken. It looks delicious. It's hot. It's very hot. It took 50 minutes in my air fryer because I like mine to be up on a rack like this when I cook it. So it takes a little bit longer. Alexa, stop. It took about 45 minutes in my oven at 400 degrees, okay? And I have the large Ninja air fryer. It has quite a few different options. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit, and I'm gonna call in my taster. Hopefully he'll taste it for us because it's really hot. All right, he's my taste tester. All right. Okay, let me know if you make this chicken, if you're gonna follow the directions on my recipe, or if you change it. Let me know in the comment section, what did you change based on this recipe? Like I said, it's an excellent recipe. The chicken is very crispy. It's very hot at this time. But give it a try, and thank you so much for watching my cooking channel, Betty's Cooking Channel.